Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel.
Okay, the next question people ask is, Colin, I want to be a trader. You know, what are the successful characteristics or successful traits of a successful trader? Okay, I'll say number one is your relationship with money, because some people just cannot trade. Why? Because they view money as too big a thing. Okay, 50 cents, $1 become too big a thing. Because you have to understand, in the world of trading, right, you're dealing a lot with numbers. You know, you can cut loss, $300, few $1,000. You must be able to view this as a game. Okay, certain people are not suitable in trading because they are become too emotionally attached to the money already. So once you do that, it hinders you in your trading. Okay. The second very good characteristic of a trader is the self-awareness. You should have a certain degree of self-awareness where you can actually be able to see yourself. Okay. Like example, you are feeling stressed, you are taking more risks than you're necessary, or when you are making a wrong decision. Okay, you must have a certain degree of self-awareness. Certain people, they just don't have this self-awareness and they just think that they're always doing the right thing. Okay, so that is very important to have self-awareness. You can improve your self-awareness to actually through keeping journals and reviewing yourself. Okay, but you still need that characteristic of being self-aware. Okay, I think that's very important. Number three, I think it's important that you have a certain degree of how to say, numbers. You have certain love of numbers, because at the end of the day, trading is about looking at numbers. What is the returns? What is the probability? What is the hit ratios and things like that. So you must be able to love numbers also, because at the end of the day, you're looking at numbers. Okay, and then fourth thing is which people don't talk a lot about it, is you must be willing to work hard, because it is almost like a sport. Okay, trading is almost like a sport that you must be willing to put in a hard work, willing to look through your trades, willing to grind through the trade in order to be a successful trader. So I think working hard is a very important part. I will tell my traders, focus on the process, focus on doing the right thing. And when you focus on the process and when you focus on doing the right thing, as a result of doing this, you become profitable. That is a very important part of trading. Okay, the last thing I think most important about trading is really having ambition. You must be able to want more. Okay, to be able to say, hey, I want to improve myself. Okay, I want to be a better trader. The desire to become better must be there. Okay, so even you're willing to work hard, you are good with numbers, and you have no good relationship with money, but you don't have this desire to become better, it will also affect you. Okay, so these are the 5 things I think is very important in trading. And if you want to become a trader, you need to develop all this to become a good trader.